Kubleshibun kini kilong kikam kibalat na ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission luar Lushmer Shillong nyau knailai not iwe bat kane kade ru ka government job lane ka kamskar lada phio ban rungkam bat ru ka khot lengba ka online application na ki candidate kante bat chinrang namanta ka post jong ka Meghalaya Civil Service MSc bat katarik bakadu ka ba phila ban sumit ya ki application jongpi kade hadu ka khat pratarik wagas arjar apply bat kade kalong ka jimentip na ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC ba kitu ki candidate ki bladep ban apply ya ki post haga previous advertisement jong snam arjar RR bat kitu ki candidate ladep ban accept da ka commission bat kin omron kamshu ban apply tongin page kamnya akaneka video te sawon page akaneka video hadu banda kon ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission nabanta ka post jong ka Meghalaya Civil Service MSc bat baro kisit kibalat kilong lausan set bat ha ki categories jong ki post kilong nabanta ka on the self categories sunset nabanta ki khasidentia khatsau set nabanta ki garo khatsau set bat nabanta ki categories jong ki SC bat ST kilong asset bat habedei bat ka jinsiu pila banyo ya ka jinsiu ha ka level ka bakatan jong ka revise pay structure bat habedei bat ka age limit bat ka upper age relaxation ha ka age limit ka ba phidei bandon ha karta ka ba arpoi hadu life asnam karta bat ka upper age relaxation nabanta ki badei ki kandet jong ki SC bat ST ka dei hadu sansnam bat habedei bat ka karan pule lane ka qualification jong ka MSc ki kandet kentei bat chinrang kidei ki bala pendep ya ka graduate degree na kano ka university recognized lamba ka central foreign but state government ka bar lada piton ya ka professional lane technical qualification ka ba recognized da ka government lane ka ban yarangkat ha ki professional but technical degree pila ban admission sya kaneka examination bat ki syllabus pila ban yo na ka MPSC official website jongka na banta ka MSc competitive examination bat ka application fees ka ba pihak penseu haba apply ya kaneka kam kadai hadu sauspa andrepau tengka bat masteng na banta ki SC ST permanent resident jong kaneka state a Meghalaya ha ka selection process ka kantup na banta ka typing speed English composition stenography test writing examination personal interview bat kidonro kiwe bat komno ban submit ya ki application jongpi banakong pila ban submit ya ki application jongpi tengba ka online application tengba ka official website jongka MPSC bar bat nabanta kitu ki candidate ki apply nengkong lengba ka online kidei ban register shwa apnio ban apply ya kaneka vacancy lane post balai bat kitu ki bladep register lengba ka commission kila aban apply haswa ka khat pratarik agos arjar apply bat hae pila aban siu ya ki application jongpi manengkong ka i chalan cash payment bar lengba ka debit com ATM card credit card bat net banking te haswa pen apply sawa ban page ya ka official notification jong ka MPSC ka link ka don ha description jong ka ne ka video ka bangi labu bat sapej aka te lada pisutnat ya kane ka content jongi sabha ban share like dan subscribe ya kane ka channel kubleshibun